So this recipe is really simple to make. You will need 1 ripe banana, 1 egg. By the way, you don't really need a blender, you can just mash banana with a fork. Then you need to add a teaspoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I used here rice flour because I think it makes pancakes even more fluffy and just like they are so light. Heat the pan and add some butter or just oil and pour your mixture. I made 5 pancakes out of this mixture, but if you want some more, you can just double the amount of ingredients we are using here. So go ahead and do it if you want to surprise your family, friends, or you just want some more pancakes for yourself. I won't lie, I burned a little bit those pancakes, but I think it's just a charm of homemade meals. This recipe is really freaking delicious and healthy at the same time, so you need to try it. But don't forget to add toppings because toppings make your pancakes way better. So add some peanut butter or maple syrup if you want to, some berries, fruits, I don't know, anything that you like and enjoy. And then when you take a first bite, trust me, it will be like a melting heaven in your mouth. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.